Elecare NMN really helped me control my health. I feel much stronger, much healthier, and much younger. As I grow older, I really feel the changes in my body. Ang bilis kong tumaba, kahit konti lang kumain. Nagda-dry yung skin ko, tapos nagsasag na rin. Ang hirap makatulog. I feel lethargic, and yung hinang-hinain, tamad na tamad ka sa araw-araw. Siguro dahil na rin to sa lifestyle ko. Laging puyat, kung ano-anong kinakain unhealthy, walang exercise. Ang hirap mag-adjust kapag nagkakaedad. I felt sluggish, low energy, parang wala nang gana. Then I discovered Elecare NMN, and that changed everything. After taking Elecare NMN, I feel healthier, mas magaan yung pakiramdam ko, and mas mahimbing na rin yung tulog ko sa gabi. Nag-normal na rin yung blood sugar ko. Elecare NMN gave me the energy I was missing. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ako ng drive para mag-exercise araw-araw. It was a total life changer. Alam mo ba, NMN helps activate your body's longevity gene. Parang ina-activate niya yung natural ability ng katawan natin to stay youthful. So from the inside, tinutulungan niya tayo mag-repair ng cells, kaya nagiging mas radiant ang skin, mas tumataas ang energy ko, and it also helped me focus. Parang ang linaw na ng isip ko ngayon, and I can concentrate better. Elecare NMN really helped me control my health. I feel much stronger, much healthier, and much younger. Ang laki talaga ng improvement ng katawan ko after taking this product. If you're ready for a change, this might be what you're looking for. Try this one too.